Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Health Awareness video program. In today's video program, we are going to have a thyroid overview. In this program, we are going to see the thyroid location and its different types of its formations. Apart from this, we are going to see the thyroid hormone formation and its function, promotion towards the function and the development of other organs of the human body. Thyroid gland is the first endocrine gland to be found in the human body. It starts in the third week of the gestation to the 12th week of the gestation to complete fully functional thyroid gland. Thyroid gland has two lobes. One is right lobe, second one is left lobe, center part is called isthmus. Now, apart from this, in rare cases, the thyroid gland forms with the third lobe towards the left lobe is called perimedial lobe. Now, yes, third lobe is called perimedial lobe. Now, apart from this perimedial lobe, there is one more formation called double perimedial lobe, where the first perimedial lobe is towards the left side and second perimedial lobe is towards the right side of the thyroid gland. Apart from this, there is very exceptional formation of the thyroid gland is called absent isthmus, where we cannot see the isthmus of the thyroid gland, which is called the center part, this part, and both the lobes work independently. These are the few formations of the thyroid gland, and thyroid gland located at our neck part of the body. Now we have the glimpse of thyroid hormone formation. The thyroid hormone in the paraventricular nuclei of hypothalamus, the special sensor secrete thyrotropin hormone. This thyrotropin hormone, through vascular connection, reaches to the anterior pituitary. The hypothalamus and the pituitary connected with stalk. In anterior pituitary, the special cells known as thyrotropes release thyroid stimulating hormone. Now, these thyroid stimulating hormone through blood vessels reaches to the thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is formed with follicular cells. Now, this thyroid gland secretes thyroid hormone, which we call as T3 and T4. T3 as triiodothyronine and T4 as thyroxine or tetraiodothyronine. Now, this T3 and T4 by itself cannot travel through bloodstream. They require a binding agent where the liver stimulates the thyroxine binding globulin protein. Now on this, the thyroid hormones will travel to the other organs of the body to promote the function and the development of that particular organ. Now we see how exactly the thyroid hormone promotes in the development of central nervous system and brain. Thyroid hormone in brain increases dendrites, myelation, and synapses. In this way, the thyroid hormone promotes the development of central nervous system and brain. Thyroid hormone also promotes the normal cardiac output, where in the contract muscles, the T3 and thyroid hormone at the cell membrane stimulates with the receptor called ADR B1, which is called as adrenergic receptor, beta 1 adrenergic receptor. Now, with this ADR-B1 process, the heart contractility increases. In turn, it increases the stroke volume. It in turn increases cardiac output. It in turn increases blood pressure. Whereas in non-contract muscles, this ADR with thyroid hormone acts on SA node and AV node to increase the heart rate. In this way, the thyroid hormone promotes to maintain the normal cardiac output. Now we will see how exactly the thyroid hormone promotes increasing of usage in the body cell. I'm just zooming up the cell. T4 easily blinds through the cell membrane here. Easily blinds through the cell membrane. Now here one special enzyme by name 5' deiodinase converts this T4 to T3. This T3 gets bind with transmission factor and with gene in terms comes out as protein. Now these protein plug with cell membrane. Now they are called as ATP pumps. Now the ATP here sends 3 sodium ions and takes 2 potassium ions. In this they require the energy, which is ATPs being burned from ATP to ADP. Same in this, same in this also. So to turn this ATP ADP, we require the ATPs will decrease. The cell ATPs will decrease. We know that the ATP is a part of metabolism. To increase the ATP, we require the energy. The energy, to increase the energy, we require fuel. Fuel in the form of carbohydrates, proteins, fats. With this, we add oxygen to generate the energy. In turns, it increases ATP, increases energy, it increases heat. In this way, by using the oxygen increasing, by using the fuel, the increasing of the oxygen in the normal body cell. Now, we see how thyroid hormone promotes the muscular function and the development. In muscular function and the development, thyroid hormone balance anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism is formation, catabolism is destruction. The sum of anabolism and catabolism is metabolism. To maintain the metabolism of the muscular function, the thyroid hormone helps to balance the anabolism and catabolism. In bone growth and maturation, thyroid hormone maintains the balance between osteoblast and osteoclast, where the osteoblast is for formation and osteoclast is for breakdown. The thyroid hormone maintains the balance between both of this. Apart from this, the thyroid hormone also act on epiphyseal plates. These are the epiphyseal plates. The epiphyseal plates helps the bone to grow in length, which is called as interstitial growth. In this way, the thyroid hormone helps in maintaining the balance of osteoblast and osteoclast in the bone, as well as supporting the epiphyseal plates. In skin, the thyroid hormone dilates the blood vessels to radiate the heat of the skin to bring back the body to the normal level. Apart from dilating the blood vessels, the thyroid hormone also acts on sweat glands. Now we have sweat glands, eccrine and apocrine. Now eccrine glands opens directly on the surface of the skin. Apocrine glands open in the hair follicles. Now these glands will generate the sweat on the surface of the skin to bring back the body to the normal level, normal temperature. In this way, the thyroid hormone hydrates the skin. In gastrointestinal, the thyroid hormone helps increasing secretion of intestinal glands, as well as it increases motility in the smooth muscle. In this way, the thyroid gland helps gastrointestinal tract. Now we have seen the glimpse of thyroid gland location, thyroid hormone formation, as well as its promotion towards the function and the development of the different organs. In next video, we will come up with the more information related to thyroid. Thank you. Have a nice day. Signing off, Dr. Pandey.